Do you have a case under Illinois law if an attacking dog caused you to wreck your bicycle? Hi, I'm Josh Rohrscheib. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Central Illinois. And from time to time, we get calls from folks who are injured while riding a bicycle because of a dog attacking them, charging them, chasing them, and knocking them off the bicycle. And in some of those cases, they're knocked off the bicycle and bit by the dog. So because a bicyclist is pretty vulnerable when riding a bike, especially at higher rates of speed, and they can be hurt pretty badly, it's important to know how these cases work because your medical bills can add up, you can have significant wage loss, and it's important to know if Illinois law gives you any kind of right to recover for these damages. Typically, in the cases that we look at that arise with this kind of fact pattern, we start by looking at a law called the Illinois Animal Control Act. The Illinois Animal Control Act is a very favorable statute for people who are injured by dog bites or dog attacks, and it basically says that if you've been injured, that you have a winning case against the dog's owner, whoever should have been controlling the dog, so long as you were in a place you had a right to be, you're peacefully conducting yourself, and you didn't provoke the dog. So in most cases, that can provide a right to recover for our clients. It's important to know that you can recover for all the damages you could typically recover for in a personal injury case. This would include your medical bills, your past and future pain and suffering, your lost wages, any disfigurement or scarring caused by the bite, any disability, any ways that this disrupts your life, your kind of loss of normal life. All of the typical damages that would apply under Illinois law could apply if you have a claim under the Illinois Animal Control Act. As a practical matter, for you to be able to recover these damages, you need a source of recovery. Most of the time, that is the homeowner's policy of the defendant. It could also be a renter's policy of the defendant or a personal umbrella policy of the defendant, but one of the things the lawyer can do for you is help you identify what kind of insurance coverage might be available to compensate you for your losses. If you've recently been injured by an attacking dog while you're on your bicycle and you haven't done so already, it's a very good idea for you to file an animal control right away. We'd appreciate you. We would highly recommend that you reach out to animal control and file an animal control report. We appreciate folks doing that in their communities because it helps make everyone safer, to make sure that there's a record of any kind of dangerous dogs in their communities. If you have any other questions about dog bite cases, dog attacks, cases involving bicycle injuries, our firm's happy to help. Please don't hesitate to reach out for a free consultation. Just generally, it's always a good idea if you have some kind of an injury case to consider doing a free consultation with an injury lawyer. It won't cost you anything, and you may get some helpful information, may get help valuing your case, you may learn some things from just sitting down and talking about it. So I hope this information is helpful, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video.